Children, today Chimpu, Rory and Jumpy are going to play with a ball. Would you like to join them?
Friends, let us play with the ball.
One ball, two balls.
We want to play with only one ball and we have two balls. One ball and two balls.
But we want only one ball to play with.
Oh no! How will we play? There are big stones on the ground.
You are right, Jumpy. There are two big stones.
One stone, two stones.
Friends, I have an idea. Let us push these stones away from here. 1 and 2.
Children, Jumpy, Chimpu and Rory have pushed the two big stones away from here. Now they can play safely. Rory suddenly remembered that he had to go to the market to buy some fruits.
Friends, I have to go to the market to buy apples. Will you come along with me?
Yes, Rory, we will. Rory, how many apples do you want to buy?
Chimpu and Jumpy, I want to buy 3 apples.
Children, Rory wants to buy 3 apples.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
Rory, these are 3 apples. Now would you like to buy some more?
No, thank you, Jumpy. Jumpy, but do you want to buy any fruits?
So, which fruit would you want to buy, Jumpy?
I will buy strawberries for myself.
How many strawberries do you want, Jumpy?
I want 4 strawberries, Chimpu.
Okay, 4 strawberries for Jumpy. Children, count with me for Jumpy. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries and 4 strawberries.
Hey, let's count the strawberries again. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries and 4 strawberries.
So, who wants to buy fruits now?
I want to buy some fruits now. Fresh and ripe bananas.
Chimpu, how many bananas do you want to buy?
I want to buy 5 bananas.
Children, Chimpu wants to buy 5 bananas. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas.
Children, Chimpu wants to buy 5 bananas. Will you count with us? Let's count the bananas. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas.
Friends, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bananas. Thank you, Rory and Jumpy. Thank you, children, for counting with us. We have bought the bananas. Now let us go and play.
Yes, I bought 1, 2 and 3 apples.
And Chimpu bought 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bananas.
Now let us go and play.